Hello, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which sold millions of copies over the generations worldwide. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you. Lesson 6. Hard work and persistence. Earl Nightingale emphasized the value of hard work, discipline, and perseverance in achieving one's goals. Nightingale believed that success often requires consistent effort and a willingness to persist through challenges and setbacks. Let's explore the concept of perseverance, of hard work and persistence, which Earl Nightingale emphasized. Here's an expanded version or explanation of how we can benefit from developing a mindset of perseverance. Number 1, overcoming challenges. Perseverance is crucial for overcoming challenges and obstacles in our path. It enables us to stay resilient, to stay determined, to stay focused when faced with setbacks or difficulties. By persevering, we can find solutions, learn from the setbacks, and continue moving forward. Number 2, goal achievement. Perseverance plays a significant role in achieving our goals. It helps us stay committed to our objectives even when the journey becomes challenging or prolonged. By persisting in the face of adversity, we increase our chances of reaching our desired outcomes. Number 3, personal growth. Perseverance contributes to personal growth and development. It pushes us beyond our comfort zones and allows us to discover our strengths, our capabilities, and resilience. The process of persevering through challenges helps us to grow. It helps us to learn and become better versions of ourselves. Number 4, resilience. Perseverance and resilience go hand in hand. When we persevere, we develop a resilient mindset that enables us to bounce back from setbacks. Resilience helps us to adapt to change. It helps us to maintain a positive attitude and navigate difficulties with strength and determination. Number 5, increased confidence. Perseverance enhances our confidence in our abilities. By consistently working towards our goals, we build a track record of accomplishments and learn to trust in our capabilities. This builds confidence. This increased confidence fuels further perseverance and sets the stage for continued success. Number 6, learning from failure. Perseverance allows us to embrace failure as a valuable learning opportunity and encourage us to analyze our mistakes, to make adjustments, and to try again. Through perseverance, we develop a growth mindset that sees failure as a stepping stone to success. Number 7, motivation and discipline. Perseverance is closely tied to motivation and discipline. It helps us stay motivated and disciplined in pursuing our goals. When faced with challenges, perseverance provides the inner drive and determination to stay on track and remain focused on our objectives. Number 8, character building. Perseverance builds character by developing qualities such as patience, determination, and grit. It fosters qualities like discipline, resilience, and self-belief. By persevering, we strengthen our character and cultivate a mindset of perseverance in all areas of life. Number 9, inspiration for others. Perseverance can inspire and motivate those around us. When others witness our commitment and determination, it can be contagious. It can encourage them to embrace their own challenges and perseverance. Our perseverance can serve as a positive example, inspiring others to overcome their fears, adversities, and obstacles. Number 10, fulfillment and achievement. Ultimately, perseverance leads to a sense of fulfillment and achievement. It allows us to look back on our journey and feel proud of what we have accomplished. The satisfaction that comes from persevering through difficulties and reaching our goals are immeasurable. By cultivating a mindset of perseverance, we can experience these benefits in our personal and professional lives. Perseverance enables us to overcome challenges, achieve our goals, grow as individuals, and perseverance inspires those around us. It is a powerful mindset that fuels success, fulfillment, and a resilient approach to life's ups and downs through our victories and defeats. Earl Nightingale's profound insights on hard work and persistence serve as a beacon of inspiration in our pursuit of excellence. By emphasizing the transformative power of dedication and perseverance, Nightingale reminds us that achieving our aspirations requires unwavering commitment and a relentless work ethic. In our everyday lives, embracing the principles of hard work and persistence equips us with the resilience needed to navigate challenges and overcome those obstacles. Whether striving towards personal goals, whether it's advancing in our careers, or pursuing our passions, a steadfast dedication to our endeavors propels us forward even in the face of challenges and adversity. Moreover, the journey of hard work and persistence cultivates invaluable qualities such as discipline, resilience, true grit, which are essential not only for achieving success, but also for fostering personal growth, self-development, and self-fulfillment. Through consistent effort and a refusal to succumb to setbacks, we discover our inner strength and unleash our full potential. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. These works, over the decades, have empowered millions of individuals worldwide, providing them the tools to enhance their relationships, boost their confidence, and achieve massive personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdom of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more from his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series playlist, Diamonds in the Ruff. As we integrate Nightingale's teachings into our lives, let us embrace the transformative power of hard work and persistence as guiding principles on our journey towards greatness. Let us forge ahead with determination, knowing that every step we take brings us closer to realizing our dreams. As you embark upon your journey to reach the top, remember this statement of Earl Nightingale when he said, "If the grass is greener on the other side, it's probably getting better care." Yeah. If we brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. Until next time, keep striving, keep persevering, push forward, and remember, greatness awaits those who dare to pursue it. Until next time, take care, stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.